Okay, I want to show you how to create a car horn sound effect using Parsec. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I want to reset device. Okay, and on the generator A engine, we're going to select the PPGT040 bass. Okay, and turn the position all the way to the right. And I'm going to turn down the octave all the way down. And now on the modifier A, I'm going to select harmonic stretch, and I'm going to leave it like that. And on modifier 2, I'm going to change it to pitch warp. And I'm just going to change these two settings. So here I'm going to change it to 64. I'm going to hold down the shift key so I can get it more precise. Wish Reason had a numeric input so I can just, so it's easier. All right, so, and on the Y, I'm going to change it to 94. Okay, and that's it. Now we have our car horn. Okay, so now you can get your Michael Douglas on. Hey, get out of the way, get out of the way. Very easily in Reason using Parsec. AA MCO. All right, so thanks for watching. Come back for more. I got more sounds for you. Bye now. Hey!